And with the cows now, if we wanted to throw cows into the mix, how would you what would the system look like? So we'd have the pigs going through. I think if we can just get a couple cows in the mix, I'd like to add as many as possible, but on 15 acres, what would your system look like? How many cows would you have on 15 acres?
Yeah, well, I mean, I'm not in the Mojave Desert, so I expect if you have two, you're probably going to have all the cows you can handle at least for now.
Sure.
I mean, we keep one cow per acre, but we're in a 30-inch rainfall area, so it makes a big difference. But yeah, certainly a couple of cows. I mean, that would be fine.
Okay. And would you run the cows ahead of the pigs, or how would you just rotate them in, or how would you go about the cows, or would you just keep them in it? My question more so is, how would you use the cows in your system?
You definitely the cows are not going to want soiled grass, so you're going to want to run them ahead of any of the omnivores. The cows are always going to run ahead of the omnivores, and in nature, omnivores always follow herbivores. So whether you run them ahead of the chickens or ahead of the pigs, or both, or a combination of those, that's fine.
Okay, gotcha. These are some questions that I have as far as like the future. Do you feel like right now is a good time to become a farmer? I mean, I have a bunch of things going on. I do a lot of real estate, digital marketing, and my thing was, you know what, I want to go start a farm. And out of all places, of course, I'm in California, and it happened to be in the midst of, we started our farm at the beginning of COVID. So, sheet of plywood started to go through the roof. Everything just started to go through the roof. However, I'm a big believer. I read your books. I, watched the.
If you guys like this video and wish to see more, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or consider following us on Instagram at Flores Valley Farms. Thank you for watching.